As we're past halfway into the year, I figured that I'd show you guys exactly what I've stuck to using every day. And while some of these are recent additions that have already earned their spot, most have been part of the daily gear for a while now, starting with my crossbody sling, which actually carries everything here. This is the Bellroy Classic Sling, which I got in the 5-litre size and in the olive colorway. I went with this sling because I wanted something that was lightweight and easy to clean, with a few different compartments to help keep things organized. It's got an internal slip here on one side and a zip pocket on the other, a rope to attach my keys to so I can easily find them, and a hidden back pocket for anything that I want to keep extra secure. Plus, I really like this specific hue of the olive fabric color on the sling. So in the side pocket, I keep my phone, which is the Samsung S26 Ultra, which I've been using since launch around March this year. This is one of the main items in my EDC, something that I use every day, not just for communicating or browsing and scrolling social media, but as a tool for creating content and managing the admin side of the channel alongside my PC and my MacBook, which has actually been pretty easy using apps like Notion, KDE Connect and Local Send so that I can keep everything synced across all the devices. Pairing with the S26 Ultra, I've got my Buds4 Pro earbuds, which I use every day while listening to music, watching shows or taking calls, especially when I'm in noisy environments, as the noise cancellation on these are quite good with the right size ear tips. I really like their flat brush steel blade design, and the pinch controls are far better than tap controls on a lot of the other earbuds that I've used. Speaking of designs I love, this is my Polo Bear card holder that I recently picked up, as my previous card holder was getting a little tired. I've had my eye on this line of card holders by Polo for some time because the Bear collection in general is such a nice and unique range. It can hold 3 cards and has a pocket for bills, but I guess you can put another card in there. The bear is embroidered into the leather and it's actually been done really well, and it's quite clean. There were a few different leather color options, each with different bear outfits on, but I landed on this one because he kind of reminds me of the way my grandpa used to dress, so it reminds me of him a little, I guess. Anyways, one of the things that I always struggled with carrying around were my keys. On a regular keyring, they didn't look good and they would always poke my legs in my pocket, or they could scratch whatever I put in my sling, so I used to leave them behind in the car often, which wasn't always great. But recently, Journey gifted me with and sent out their Lock 8 Urban Key Organizer, which can hold up to 6 keys easily with a screw that you can just undo with your fingers. It also comes with a flip tool, and it's got a loop to attach tags or car keys to. The great thing though with this key organizer is that it's got a tracker, and this universal version is compatible with both Android and iPhones through the Find Hub or Find My apps. I've got it paired to my S26 Ultra, so I can use Find Hub to locate my keys and can even play back a tune that emits from the keys when nearby. While the battery on it seems to last quite a while, just remember to occasionally recharge it. I've had it for almost a month now, and I only did a top-up charge on it once while charging everything else. To top it all off, it's quite light at 44 grams without keys, and size-wise, it's almost the same size as my car key, so it fits a lot better in my pocket now. Plus, I've got mine in the black Napa leather, so my keys look perfect now with the rest of my EDC. Now, something that I carry with me pretty much daily are these JBL Soundgear Clips, which are open-ear headphones, and I have these in case I'm in situations where I want to listen to music or take calls while I still need to be aware of my surroundings, like at the gym or if I go for a walk outside. They clip on around the side of my ears and actually stay in place extremely well when moving around compared to in-ear buds. So when exercising, I don't need to worry about them falling out. And speaking of health related things, I've got the Google Fitbit Air on my wrist to help keep track of my health, which I've been using over the last 1.5 months. And it's been great seeing a daily log of some of my vitals and getting a daily sleep and readiness assessment on top of the usual fitness stats. But what I like most about it is because there's no screen or any notification system from your phone, it results in less distractions throughout my day. It's also super lightweight to the point that I hardly feel it depending on how I wear it, so it's pretty easy to sleep with it on at night. But that's all I'm going to say about it here, because I am still working on my long-term review for this one, so make sure you sub so you don't miss that. Now, one of the last things that I carry here in the sling is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with its battery handle, and the DJI Mic 2, because I've been trying to get better at documenting and filming things as they happen in my everyday life with tech, And I feel like having a dedicated camera on hand will help make the process a little bit more intentional, rather than just whipping out my phone, which honestly has ended up with me convincing myself not to record the moment, and I'm trying to improve on that. And finally is this in-ear power bank and a USB-C power delivery cable, in case I need to charge any of these devices as I go about my day. Look, the phone and the earbuds are pretty good though with battery life, and honestly it's mainly there for the camera, but hey, you never know.